What's up, guys? Jeremiah Minnie here, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, and we are currently in line for Mickey's Runaway Railway. What's up? The ride is obviously based off of the Man's Chinese Theater in Hollywood. I mean, check this out. You can even see a whole bunch of footprints from a bunch of stars.
Last screening, as Mickey and Minnie drove off to the park to enjoy their perfect picnic, Engineer Goofy pulled up in his train, and let's just say, he really had a blast.
What happened here? We're stepping into the TV screen.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mickey and Minnie. The park's there with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, man.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so proud. Would finally make it. We had one crazy ride. On my side. It's not to be again. Nothing that's
So cool. So fun. I really enjoyed that.
Hey Reese, how'd you like the ride?
Good. It was so awesome.
Yeah? Oh, that's so cool. It's just like in the Mickey tunes.